Hey guys, it's Beer Taster. Guys, I'm here to review another beer. And look what I got here, guys. I got a 24-ounce Tallboy can of Corona Extra, guys. That's Corona Extra. The blue can with the white lettering Corona Extra and the golden crown and the golden Griffiths, I think. Griffins or whatever they are. It says beer La Cerveza Más Fina, which means the finest beer. And I think Corona means crown. This is like Crown Extra in Spanish. Guys, this is the beer that everyone thinks of when they think of Mexico. I mean, there are a lot of other Mexican beers also, like Tecate and a bunch of other ones, guys, that are all a lot of good ones too. But this is the first beer people think of. This is that clear bottle at the beach with a lime. But guys, you know, clear glass like that actually leads to a lot of beer getting spoiled because hops, they react with the light and they skunk. And that clear glass, it provides no protection at all from the light. So that beer skunks if it's exposed to light at all. The can, guys, the can is much better because the can protects the beer much better. I think you taste the way this beer tasted coming out of the brewery a lot closer in this can version than you do a lot of times in that clear glass version, guys. So when I have the chance to choose between the two, guys, I always choose to go with the can because I think the beer tastes better most of the time. So here it is, guys. 24 ounces of Corona Extra. Guys, I've already reviewed the other Corona, the dark one, Corona Familiar. And that beer is pretty good, guys. I think that's a really nice beer. Especially if you're having a nice heavy meal of good quality food. That's a nice beer to drink with that. But guys, Corona Extra, this beer is lighter, more all around enjoyable in hot weather and whatnot. So let me give it a smell. It smells kind of like mild malts and like yeast, like a fruity yeast, like a little bit of bitterness, like almost like toasted malt, maybe a little bit of corn to that bitterness. Just like a mild hop. You smell a mild hop. That's what's in there, guys. Smell wise, it smells good. I mean, it's a nice smell, guys, especially for an adjunct lager beer. That's a good smelling beer. And again, guys, this is because this is fresh in the can. It's been kept cold. If you get a clear glass bottle, you're going to smell it, and it's probably going to smell pretty bad. So this is the can. The can smells like this when it's been kept fresh and it's been stored well. It tastes similar to how the beer tastes from the brewery. Let me taste it. This is a nice beer, guys. There's some sweetness there, some malty sweetness. I'd say like almost like a slightly toasted malty sweetness. With just a slight little bit of corn at the end and a little bit of hop. It's got a body that's borderline between light and medium. The body's not really light. It's not really medium either. It's in between. It's right in between. It's nice. It's a nice drinking beer. It's a little bit filling. Not too much. It drinks real nice. Wow, the wind's really picking up all of a sudden. It's beautiful out here, guys. If you ever get a chance to visit Arizona, there's so many beautiful places like this. I mean, it's just a big flat desert with mountains that rise up all over the place. And all the mountain areas are nice. When you go up to the northern part of the state and the eastern part of the state, those mountains get real tall and there's pine trees up there and lakes. It's nice, guys. It's real nice. Arizona. And guys, this beer is real nice to drink in Arizona because it's always freaking hot as hell, guys. It's real hot out here. And guys, when it's so hot like this, a beer like this, Corona Extra, guys, this beer tastes good. Carbonation wise, let me see. It's got a lot of carbonation, guys. It's got real strong carbonation. There's a lot in there, man. That carbonation is strong, which is, I think, kind of makes this a little bit filling. I wish that carbonation wasn't so strong. It's filling me right up. But taste-wise, it's good. Smell-wise, it's good. It's a nice beer to drink. It's got a ton of carbonation, though. I think they do a good job with this beer. Like, I think if you sat this side by side with Budweiser, Coors, or Miller, like Genuine Draft or High Life, I think next to all those beers, I think this one's better. It's similar, but it's better. I think, guys, that's kind of where Corona Extra falls. It's that style of beer, like Budweiser, Coors Banquet, or MGD, or Miller High Life. It's that kind of a beer, but it's a little maltier and smoother, and it's nice. Carbonation is strong, though. Corona Extra, guys. I like this beer. Yeah, I mean, there's a little bit of corn in there, but it's mostly malt. Mostly like a sweet, slightly toasted malt, and then some corn, just a little bit, and then just a little bit of hops, too, over a light medium body with a lot of carbonation. It tastes good, guys. It's a nice drinking beer. And, I mean, for a barbecue, this is like the ultimate barbecue beer, I think. Give it a try, guys. Tell me what you think. Let me know. How does this compare to other beers like Heineken? There's a good comparison between this beer and Heineken. This is kind of like the adjunct version of what Heineken is, an all malt version of. Just that universally loved beer. Guys, people all throughout the world drink Corona and Heineken. But Corona, guys, it's popular everywhere. America, Canada, Latin America, Europe, the Middle East, like everywhere. Africa, everywhere. China. Everyone drinks this beer, man. Everyone likes Corona and Heineken. So I think that says something about those two beers. Both really good beers, guys. Give them a try. It's a little bit step up in price compared to some of the cheap American beers, but I think it's a step up in quality, guys. This beer is good. Give it a try, Corona. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think, guys. Corona, it's a good beer, guys. Enjoy.